Hello, beautiful morning to you all. Good to see you again this morning. Yes, this is the day the Lord has made, and so we rejoice and be glad in it. Nothing take the joy of the Lord from us. The joy of the Lord is our strength. Hallelujah. So I keep saying it's always an opportunity and a privilege that the Lord has given to us. So we sing songs of praise to Him. So join me as we sing along. It's another morning. Oh, more than my mind can testify, more than my mind can comprehend. See, have seen the wonders of your grace. I'm so sure that this is not the end. Oh, Ezebube, see how far you brought me. Ezebube, I'm so glad you found me worthy. I can see, I can tell. And I know this is your grace, this is your hands, this is your mercy, all my days. I will sing your praise all my days. I will sing your praise all my days. I will sing your praise.